Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Windows 10 is up to date and that you've got admin rights. This avoids version mismatches. Open services. MSC and restart the Windows search service. That often fixes transient crashes. Once done, create a quick system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Make sure indexing is enabled for core folders. If not, toggle indexing options now so subsequent repairs operate on accurate search data. Next, repair the search index because corruption commonly closes the bar after typing. Open indexing options and verify locations, then choose Advanced and start Rebuild. This can take time, so be patient. While rebuilding, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and then sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt to fix system file integrity. Once both complete, restart your PC to let repaired components load and confirm whether search behaves normally. If rebuilding and repairs fail, reset the search UI/Cortana process using an elevated PowerShell command to re-register the package, which often clears stubborn crashes. If the problem persists, create a new local user and test search there to isolate profile corruption. Finally, check Event Viewer for application or system errors tied to search UI. EXE, that tells you whether to uninstall recent apps or restore a backup. If needed, use System Restore or Repair Install to finish the fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.